Good morning. Yes, today we are going to study maths. 100 and above. 100 and above. We are studying 100 and above. Then first we are going to study pattern. Pattern. You have already studied pattern from first standard, isn't it? Then we are going to study pattern today. See, first one, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, dash, dash, dash. Then second one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, dash, dash, dash. See third one, 4, 8, 12, 16, dash, dash, dash. Fourth one, 10, 20, 30, 40, dash, dash, dash. Do you know to do this? Do you know to do this? Yes. All of you know to do this, isn't it? First one, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What is the difference between, how can we do this? What is the, first we must find out the difference between second digit and first digit. From second digit and first digit. 10 and 5. What is the difference between 10 and 5? 5, isn't it? Here, 5. Here, 10, 15 and 10, 15 and 10, 5. Yes, this is 5, 10. 5 adding pattern, isn't it? This is 5 adding pattern. So we can write it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on, isn't it? Then see the next one, 4 and 2. Isn't it? What is the difference between there? 2 adding. Here 2 adding. Then see next 6 and 4, 2 adding. So we can find out this pattern is adding 2, isn't it? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then say 12, 14, 16, going so on, isn't it? Then third one, 4, 8, 12, 16. Then how much? What is the difference between 8 and 4? 4. Then 12 and 8. Who can say that? Yes, 4. Then see, we understand that this pattern is adding 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. Then next one, 20. Next one, yes, 24. Next one, 26. Then last one, say 28. Isn't it? Then last one, 10, 20, 30, 40, then 50, 16. All of you know that, isn't it? 70, 80, so on, isn't it? So you know the pattern of 1 digit and a 2 digit. Then we can study today the 3 digit pattern. So we can study the 3 digit pattern. You have to study the 3 digit pattern. See, 100, then 110, 120, 130, 140, dash, dash, dash. Isn't it? What is here going on? What is the difference between 110 and 110? Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. Then see here, 100 plus 10, 110. Isn't it? Plus 10, 120. Plus 10, 130. Plus 10, 140. Then the next one, plus 10, 150. Then 160. Next one, 170. Then see the next one, 205, 210, 215, 220, dash, dash, dash. What will be the answer? What is the difference between 210 and 205? Yes, 5, isn't it? Then 215 and 210, 5. So this pattern is adding 5. Say 215, 220, then next one 225. Then next one 230. The next one 235. See, you understand this? Do you understand this? Yes. Then see the next one. 525, 550, 575, then dash, dash, dash. What is the difference between 550 and 525? Who can say it? Yes, 25, isn't it? 250 and 225 is difference between 25, isn't it? Then next one is 575. Then see, what is will be the next one? 600. Yes, 600. What is the next? You must add 25, isn't it? So 600 plus 25. 625. The next one. 625 plus 25. 650. Do you understand? Yes. Fourth one. 212, 312, 412, 512, dash, dash, dash. See, what is the difference between here 312 and 212? What is the difference there? 100, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. See, 212, 312, 412, 512. The next one, 612. Yes, good. Then 712. Then next one. Yes, 812. Isn't it? Then, do you understand? The difference is 100. The difference is 100. So, we add 100 each other. Isn't it? Then see the next one, the fifth one. 203, 213, 223, 233, then dash, dash, dash. What is the difference here? What is the difference here? Yes. What is 213 and 203, isn't it? What is the difference there? Who can say? Yes. 10 is the difference, isn't it? 10 is the difference. So 203 plus 10 is equal to 213. 213 plus 10 is 223. 223 plus 10 is equal to 233. Then next 10 plus 10, 243. Then next 10 add 243 plus 10. What is the? Yes, 253. Then the next one, 253 plus 10, 263. Isn't it? Do you understand? Yes. Take your notebook. Write it in your notebook. All of you take your notebook. Pencil, rubber. Do you take it? Yes. Then write down this in your notebook. Please write down. Did you write? Yes. Then take your textbook. Page number 18. See, did you take your textbook? Yes. Take page 18. Complete the pattern. Do it as homework. 5 sums, do it as homework. Complete the pattern. Did you see? Yes. That is your homework.